Noticing a drop in your diesel engine's performance? Your fuel economy is dropping, or you're seeing more smoke than usual. You might think your injectors are failing, but here's the truth. In most cases, they're not broken, they're just dirty. And today, I'm going to show you 4 powerful tricks to clean your diesel injectors without removing them, saving you time, money, and a trip to the mechanic. By the end of this video, your engine could run smoother, quieter, and more powerful using simple methods anyone can do at home. Let's get started. Method 1. Use a proper diesel injector cleaner. This is the easiest and most effective starting point if you do it correctly. The key ingredient to look for is PEA, polyethylamine. This is what actually breaks down stubborn carbon deposits at high temperatures. Cheap additives, they usually don't contain enough PEA and they barely work. What to do? Run your tank down to about 1/4 full. Add the cleaner first, then fill up with fresh diesel. This mixes it properly. Drive normally, but include a long highway run. Pro tip, change your fuel filter first if it's old. The cleaner will loosen deposits, and you want the filter to catch them. Use this treatment every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, 8,000 to 16,000 kilometers for prevention. Method 2, the dieselItalian tune-up. This one costs nothing, and it works surprisingly well. Diesel engines that only do short trips never get hot enough to burn off carbon. That's where deposits build fastest. The fix: take your car for a proper drive where the engine works under load. How to do it: make sure the engine is fully warmed up. Drive at 2,500 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. Keep it under load, not just cruising. Maintain this for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a lower gear if needed so the engine actually works. Important, don't do this on a cold engine. Don't do it if there's a serious mechanical issue. Done right, you'll often feel better throttle response, smoother idle, cleaner acceleration. Method 3. Replace the fuel filter and manage water. This one is often overlooked, but it's critical. Dirty injectors and a dirty fuel filter are basically the same problem from different angles. Modern diesel injectors operate with microscopic tolerances. Even tiny particles or water can cause spray disruption, faster deposit build-up, reduced fuel pressure. What you should do: replace the fuel filter regularly. Check if your car has a water separator. Depending on your vehicle, some have a manual drain valve. Drain it regularly. Some have sealed filters. Replace the whole unit. Some newer cars handle it automatically. Why it matters: water in diesel fuel doesn't just cause rust, it actually damages injectors under high pressure. And a clogged filter reduces how much cleaner actually reaches your injectors. Method 4. Fix your driving habits. Most important, this is the long-term solution, and it's completely free. The biggest cause of injector deposits is short trips. Cold starts like driving when the engine never reaches full temperature. Fuel doesn't fully burn, carbon builds up faster. The EGR system adds even more soot. Better habits: let the engine fully warm up whenever possible. Take longer drives occasionally. Do a 20 to 30-minute highway run at least once or twice a month. If your car is mostly city-driven, the Italian tune-up isn't optional, it's necessary. Maintenance: most injector problems don't start suddenly, they build up slowly over time. So, using a cleaner every few thousand kilometers can prevent expensive repairs in the future. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to FixDrive DIY for more simple, powerful car tips. And tell me in the comments which trick worked best for you. I'll see you in the next one.